Hi, welcome to my second video. This video can be considered a mini video because it's so short, but I'm just basically saying thank you to two really cool people who I think you should check out. The first person is Moonlight361 Aj. She is a good friend of mine on Animal Jam, and you should hit subscribe to her. She makes awesome videos. The second person is KotaBro. KotaBro commented a couple of seconds after I posted my video. He said my videos were his inspiration, which makes me really happy. And the dude has a lot of subscribers too. So I'm just saying thank you to those people. I really recommend you check out their videos, and goodbye.